Hello everyone, magandang buhay sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo about solving problems involving the volume of pyramid. Magpipresent po ako ng different word problems about volume of pyramids, and then I am going to illustrate and show to you the step-by-step computation para po mas madali po ninyong maintindihan yung lesson. Okay, so let's start for problem number 1. The height of the base of a triangular pyramid has a length of 10 decimeter and the side base measures 12 decimeter. The height of the triangular pyramid is 12 decimeter. What is its volume? Okay, so what is asked in the problem? So the problem asked about the volume or the measures of the volume of the pyramid. So this word problem is all about the volume of pyramid. Now, first step to solve for the volume of the pyramid is that we are going to identify the given facts. So what are the given facts? So here, the given facts are the triangular base has its measurement. So yung height is 10 decimeter and the base or the side base is 12 decimeter. So given po dito, balikan po natin yung problem. The height of the base of the triangular pyramid has a length of 10 decimeter. Okay, so yung height po ng triangular na base ng pyramid ay 10 decimeter. At yung side base ng triangular pyramid ay 12 decimeter in measurement. So ito po yung given natin. So again, triangular base of the pyramid, height is 10 decimeter and the side base is 12 decimeter. Another given is that the height of the triangular pyramid is 17 decimeter. Okay, so ito po, height of triangular pyramid is equal to 17 decimeter. So ano pong ibig sabihin itong tatlong given na ito in the general formula of the volume of pyramid? So again, ang hahanapin po natin is the volume of the pyramid. So this is the general formula for the volume of any pyramid. Volume is equal to 1/3 times B. Ang B po, ibig sabihin, area of the base of the pyramid and then times its height ng pyramid. Okay. So, to solve for the volume of pyramid, gagamitin po natin itong triangular base to get the area of the base of the pyramid. Ano po? Kaya yung B po dito ay dito po manggagaling sa base ng triangle o the base ng pyramid, which is the triangular base. Okay. So, how to use that given? Ito po. Volume is equal to, bring down, 1/3 times. Ano po ba yung formula ng base ng pyramid? So again, ang base po ng pyramid, base po dito sa ating problem ay triangle. So ano po yung formula to get the area of triangle? Ito po. Kaya nakalagay dito, ito pong B, represent po niya itong 1/2 times base times height. Ito pong 1/2 times base times height, ito yung pagkuha ng area ng triangle. Ano po? And then times h, so kaya dalawa po yung h natin dito, ito po ay height ng pyramid. Ano po? Ito po yung height ng pyramid. So here, we can substitute the given. So ito po yung 1/3 times 1/2, bring down, times, ano po yung base ng triangle? Ang base ng triangle ay 12 decimeter, kaya times 12. And then height ng triangle is 10 decimeter, so times 10. And then height ng pyramid is 17 decimeter. So huwag po kayong malilito sa height. Dalawa po ang pwedeng maging height. Height po ng base and height po ng pyramid mismo. Okay. So here, we're going to simplify the given. Volume is equal to, pwede po nating i-multiply lahat. 1 times 1, okay here, times 12, times 10, times 17. Yun po yung ibig sabihin ng multiplying these fractions in whole numbers. Ano po? Okay, so, and the denominator is that 3 times 2 here. So, ano po ang denominator ng whole numbers na ito? 12, 10, 17. So, ang denominators po nito ay 1 po lahat yan. Ano po? Kaya 3 times 2 times 1 times 1 times 1. So, yung 1, no need po na ilagay kasi 1 naman po yan. Okay, so ito po yung mahalaga, 3 times 2. Okay? And then simplify, if you are going to multiply the numerator, 1 times 1 times 12 times 10 times 17, the product is equal to 2,040. At yung denominator, 3 times 2, that is equal to 6. Okay? And then, we are going to divide. So, if you are going to divide, 2,040 divided by 6 is equal to 340. So, ano po yung 340? Ito po ay V. Ito po yung volume of pyramid. So, ang unit po ng volume of the pyramid ay dapat naka-cube. Ano po? Since yung unit ng mga given natin na measurements ay decimeter, so ito po ay cubic decimeter. Okay? So, to answer the question, what is its volume? The volume of the pyramid is 340 cubic decimeter. Okay, for problem number 2. A hexagonal pyramid has a height of 12 feet and base edge of 6 feet. What is the volume of the pyramid? Again, this word problem is all about volume of pyramid. At yun po yung hinahanap ng problem number 2. What is the volume of the pyramid given the other measurements? Okay, so here identify the given. What are the given facts? Edge of base or base edge is equal to has side length of 6 feet. Okay, nakalagay po dito. And base edge of 6 feet. And then another one ay ito pong 12 feet. Ano po yung 12 feet? The height of the pyramid. Okay, so here, the height of pyramid is equal to 12 decimeter or 12 feet rather. Okay, so what is asked in the problem? Again, what is the volume of the pyramid? So, ang given po natin ay hexagonal pyramid. Ang height po ng base edge ay 12 feet at ang base edge po ay 6 feet. Ngayon, mayroon pong height yung pyramid natin. So, paano po natin solve? Ito po yung formula to solve for the regular hexagonal pyramid. Ano po? Okay, so we have V is equal to square root of 3 divided by 2 times A squared. Yung A po ay yun po yung side ng base ng pyramid. At h is the height of the pyramid. So if you're going to substitute using the given, we have here volume is equal to square root of 3 divided by 2 times what is A? Ang A po natin ay side po ng base ng pyramid. At ito po yung side ng base ng pyramid. Meron po siyang measurement na 6 feet. Kaya yung A po natin ay 6 and then may square, kaya 6 square po siya. Times what is h? The height of pyramid. So the height of pyramid is 12 feet. So lagay po natin times 12. Okay, how to simplify this equation? Wala na pong variable dito. All are numbers. So first, you're going to simplify the exponential here, 6 square. So what is 6 square? That means 6 times 6, kaya ito po ay 36. So yan po yung nabago po na sa ating computation. Okay, then next, you're going to multiply 36 times 12. The product is, dito po sa taas, 432. So again, 36 times 12 is 432. So what's next here? So ang next po dyan ay, pwede po nating itaas kasama po ng square root of 3, itong 432. So here can be written as 432 times square root of 3. Hindi po natin pwedeng i-multiply yung 432 by 3. Ano po? And then divided by copy 2. Since ang unit po natin ay feet, kaya cubic feet po siya. So here, what's next? So since pwede pong i-divide yung 432 divide by 2, that is equal to 216. So i-divide po natin. So pag hindi po pwedeng i-divide ito, ay okay na. So pwede na po yan na final answer. But here, pwede pong i-divide 432 divided by 2 ay 216 whole number. So pwede po nating i-divide. Okay? And then copy square root of 3. So here, kapag wala po kayong calculator, pwede na pong maging sagot natin yan. But if the question asks for its decimal, then you need to press square root of 3 in the calculator. Okay, paano po ba yan ipindot yung 216 square root of 3 para makuha po natin yung decimal form po niya na 374.12. So ganito lang po yun. I-press po ninyo sa calculator 216 and then press square root and then press 3 and then press equal sign. So ang lalabas po ay ito po yung lalabas. 374.12 cubic feet. Okay? So that is the volume of the pyramid. So to answer, what is asked in the question? What is the volume of the pyramid? The volume of the pyramid is 374.12 cubic feet. Okay? Okay, for problem number 3. A rectangular pyramid has a volume of 60 cubic meters and a height of 10 meters. What are the possible dimensions of its base? So here, ang hinahanap po ng problem ay yung possible dimension ng base ng pyramid. At ano nga po ba yung base ng pyramid? Ito po ay rectangular pyramid kaya ang base po niya ay rectangle. Okay? So given that the volume of the rectangular pyramid is 60 cubic meters. Okay? Lagay po natin yung given. So 60 po ang volume and then ang height po ay 10 meters. So height is equal to 10 meters. Now, using the two given, we're going to identify the possible dimension ng base. Yung possible dimension ng rectangle kasi rectangle po ang base ng pyramid. So, ano po yung possible na base or dimension ng base ng pyramid which is the rectangle? So pag rectangle ang pinag-uusapan, meron po siyang length at meron po siyang width. Ano po? Here, wala pong nakalagay na width and length para po sa base or area ng base ng ating rectangle. Ano po? So ang given po dito na dimension ay height and then base. So paano po yan? Ganito lang po yan. So mula po sa volume ng pyramid, volume is equal to 1/3 times base area times height. So ang volume po ay 60 given. 60 cubic meters. So hindi ko lang po muna ilalagay yung unit. Mamaya na po natin ilagay sa ating final answer. Okay. This is equal to bring down 1/3. And then the area of the base is not given here. Then remain po yung B times H, height of the pyramid. So ang height po ay given which is 10 meters. So times 10 po siya. Now, mula po sa gantong eksena o gantong equation, paano po natin ito sisimplify para masolve po natin yung B? Ano po? So yung B po, ito po yung area ng base or the dimension of the base of the pyramid which is the rectangle. Okay, so to simplify this one, ito pong 1/3, ito pong 3 na denominator ay multiply po natin sa 60 sa kabila ng equal sign. So that is 60 times 3 po yan. Okay? And then here sa right side, since yung 1/3 napunta na po dito, naging 3 na, then ito na lang po ang matitira. B times 10 or it can be 10B. Okay? Next, to simplify, multiply natin 60 times 3, that is equal to 180. Okay? So again, 60 times 3 is 180 is equal to 10B. Now, ang sinusolve po natin ay B. Ito po yung B is the dimension of the base. So may kasamang 10, so we are going to divide 10 to both sides of the equation and we can cancel 10 here. So we have now 180 divided by 10 or cancel natin yung 0. So magiging 18 divided by 1 or 18. Okay? And then since na-cancel po yung 10 dito, V na lang po yung nasusunod dito. So, yung base po or yung base po ng ating pyramid, B, pag sinabing B, ito po yung length and width. O yung B, ito po yung pinakang area ng base. At yung ating pong base ay rectangle. Kaya ano po yung possible dimension ng rectangle kapag ang area po ay 18? Ano po? Again, ang area po ng rectangle ay 18. So ano po yung possible dimension or possible na measurement ng length and width ng rectangle? Ito po yon, kanyang possible dimensions. Okay. So possible dimensions of the base, since the area is 18, pwede pong 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay po ba? And then another one is pwede pong 9 times 2. 9 times 2 is equal to 18. And then another one can be 18 times 1, that is equal to 18. Since ito po ay measurement, i-consider lang po natin yung mga positive value or positive integer. Okay? Kaya 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, yan po yung base area. 9 times 2 is 18. So 18 times 1 is 18. So ito po yung possible dimensions of the base of the pyramid, which is rectangle. Okay? How about this problem number 4? A sand pyramid was made by children near the beach. The square base of the sand pyramid measures 9 cm on a side. The castle used 324 cubic centimeter to build it. How high is the square pyramid castle? Okay? What is asked in the problem? So the problem asks the height of the pyramid. Okay? So yan po yung hinahanap ng problem number 4. Then, what are the given facts? So ang given po natin ay ang base po ng pyramid ay square kasi nakalagay po dito square base. So ibig sabihin, square po yung base ng pyramid. Okay? And then, the square base of the sand pyramid measures 9 cm on each side. Bakit po isa lang yung given na measurement ng square base? So we all know that square has equal measurement of the side. Kaya lahat po ng side ng square ay 9 cm. And another given is that ito pong volume ng square pyramid castle which is 324 cubic centimeter. Okay, so ilagay po natin yung ating given. Square base, the side is 9 cm. And the volume of the pyramid castle is that 324 cubic centimeter. Then we are going to find the height of the square pyramid. So, h is the unknown. Now, mula po sa base ng ating o mula po sa formula ng ating pyramid, volume is equal to 1/3 times area of the base B times height of the pyramid. So the volume is given which is 324 cubic centimeter. Okay? And then bring down what is 1/3. Okay, 1/3 bring down and then yung area ng base and the base is square, 'di ba ang pagkuha po ng area ng square ay side times side. Since ang measurement po niya ay 9 cm yung side ng square, kaya ito po ay 9 times 9. Ano po? Side times side or side squared, yun po yung pagkuha ng area ng square. Okay? Kaya here, for B or the area of the side of the pyramid, which is square ay 9, kaya 9 times 9, and then times height of the pyramid. So yung height po ay unknown, kaya yan po yung ating hahanapin. Kaya notice sa ating equation, ang variable lang po dito ay h, which is the height of the pyramid. So kapag sinimplify po natin dito, makukuha po natin yung height ng pyramid. Okay, to simplify, ito pong 3 na denominator, multiply it here sa 324. So this become 324 times 3 is equal to 1 times 9 times 9. Okay, 1 times 9 is 9, times 9 is 81, and then copy h or the height. Okay, so we can simplify 324 times 3, that is equal to 972, then is equal to 81h. Okay, so here, paano po natin i-simplify? So, may kasamang 81 yung h. So, to remove 81, divide 81 to both sides of the equation. And then we can cancel 81. So, we have now 972 divided by 81. That is equal to 12. Okay? Kaya 12 is equal to h. So, 81 divided by 81 cancel. So, h na lang yan. So, 12 is equal to h. Again, what is h? H is the height of the pyramid. Okay? So, to answer what is being asked, the height of the pyramid is 12 centimeter. Okay? Okay, for problem number 5. A rectangular pentagonal pyramid has a height of 10 centimeter, while one of its congruent side measures 5 centimeter. Find its volume. Okay, the problem asks for the volume of the regular pentagonal pyramid. Okay, so to identify the given, ito po, the height of the pyramid is 10 centimeter. Okay, so the height is 10 centimeter. Ito po yun. And then another one is that the congruent side is 5 cm. So the congruent side of the regular pentagon is 5 centimeter. And then, what is asked again? The volume of the pyramid. So, medyo minsan nalilito po tayo dito sa given, mas magandang i-drawing po natin. Ito po yung ating drawing. So, ito po ay regular pentagonal pyramid because the base of the pyramid is a pentagon. So, pag sinabi nating pentagon, has 5 equal sides. So, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 po yung sides ng base natin, kaya ito po ay pentagon. Okay? Here, yung congruent side ng pentagon ay 5 cm, kaya ito po A is 5 cm. And then, yung height po ng ating pyramid is 10 cm. So, this one. Mula po sa given formula for the regular pentagonal pyramid, ito po yun, in decimal form na formula. Okay? Volume is equal to 0.57349. So, kinuha ko po yung 5 decimal place ng ating formula para medyo accurate po yung sagot natin. Then, times A. Again, what is A? That is the side of the base of the pyramid. So, ang side po niya ay 5 cm, kaya dito po natin yan isa-substitute. And then, height ng pyramid. Ito po yung formula for the volume of regular pentagonal pyramid. Okay, to solve, just substitute. Volume is equal to, bring down, 0.57349 times, ang A po natin, the side length of the base, which is 5 cm, kaya 5. Then, square kasi, A square, kaya 5 square, times, height po ng pyramid ay 10, kaya times 10 po yan. Okay, yung first simplify natin ay ito pong 5 square, that will become 25. So, ito lang po yung nabago dito, 5 square is 25. Now, if we're going to multiply all this one, 0.57349 times 25 times 10, then the product is equal to 143.37, and then lagay po natin yung unit. Ito po ay cm ang kanyang unit, then cubic centimeter po yung unit ng kanyang volume. Okay? So to answer what is asked in the problem, find its volume. This is the sentence as our answer. The volume of pyramid is 143.37 cubic centimeter. Okay? Okay, to master the lesson, let us try to answer this activity. Solve the problem. Magbibigay po ako ng isang word problem about volume of pyramid or solving volume of pyramid in order for you to see if you really understand the lesson. So ito po yung ating problem. Pwede po ninyong i-post yung video na ito and then try po ninyong sagutan, at kung may sagot po kayo, ay baka pwede naman po ninyong i-share sa comment section sa baba ng video na ito. Okay? Salamat sa panood mga anak. Kung kayo po ay natuto at nagustuhan ninyo at natuwa po kayo sa ginawa kong video, baka pwede po namang i-click yung like, and then kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel, baka pwede naman pong i-click yung subscribe. Pang sa ganon, lahat po ng video lesson ko na i-upload ay manonotify po kayo. Okay?